Good morning. Today's Monday, November 18th. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. I know down in Charleston here, we've kind of continued to have beautiful weather. It's nice walking around in shorts and a light sweatshirt in middle to late November, so I'm not going to complain. Got a couple nice walks in with the wife and kid, which were fun. And then I had a stress-free weekend as far as football is concerned because the Eagles beat up on the Commanders on Thursday, so we were good there. Um, Last week we had CPI and PPI numbers come in, both up 20 basis points month over month, as well as retail sales were up 40 bips month over month. Kind of ties into Fed Chair Powell on Thursday gave a speech that kind of put the market on its heels a bit, kind of alluding to the fact that they seem to be surprised with how well the economy's doing, which it's always good to hear the people in charge of rates and monetary policy and such are surprised with how things are going. So that was comforting. Market didn't love that last week. And then we're getting kind of mixed messages from Fed Speaker Goolsbee, which, by the way, sounds like the bad guy from a Scooby-Doo episode. Can't you just picture them pulling the mask off of Goolsbee at the end? But he said that he kind of sounded the dovish horn, suggesting that 12 to 18 months from now, rates are going to be substantially lower than they are today. I guess you could argue that maybe it's not conflicting information between the two of them. Maybe Goolsbee just thinks it's, or Fed Chair Powell thinks it's going to be, in the short term they're going to keep rates higher for longer. We'll see. But some good mixed messaging there. The one thing that I would say you could follow more so than those two individuals, Fed Fund future market has kind of priced out, I guess, 100 bips of easing by December 2025. So the market's pricing out that they're going to keep rates elevated longer or reduce rates at a slower pace than they once led people to believe. So we will keep an eye on that. This week we have housing starts on Tuesday and existing home sales on Thursday, and then Friday we get some manufacturing data, and then the U of M Go Blue. Good to get a Go Blue in with Johan being a Buckeye guy. But U of M consumer survey release on Friday, which I believe it was fall of 2023 reviews, maybe 2022. I think it was 2022. We actually used that consumer sentiment survey as kind of our education piece, which was fun because I think it was fall of 2022 would make sense as to when we did it. But just showing that when consumer sentiment is low is often the market moving forward from that point's attractive. So we'll see how that comes out on Friday. Questions, comments, concerns, do not hesitate to reach out, and hope everyone has a great week.